Hello YouTube, I am back with another video, and in this video I'm here to announce that I have made it to 500 subscribers. Yay! We are halfway to 1,000. I can't thank you guys enough for this. I said I would make a video when I reached halfway to 1,000, and here we are. And I'm just thankful because for the longest time I couldn't even break 100 until I started, the artist analysis series. I think without a doubt that is definitely the series that has brought me on the map, and I just want to, briefly give a rundown of what I've learned in my small journey. I say small journey because while I may have created this channel in like 2015, it didn't really start until 2020 around May. So yeah, I will say it hasn't even been a full year, but I think I've learned the way to appease the algorithm a bit. And one thing is obvious is that I just needed to be very consistent. Like before I started to do this seriously, I would upload like literally whenever I wanted, and that's not how it works. Like I'd upload like maybe 2 videos this week and then be gone for like a month, upload 1 video the next month and then be gone for another month. Yeah, it wouldn't work like that. So yeah, that's one thing. Consistency, obvious. Another thing is also pretty obvious. I'm finding a niche. Now the problem with me is that I am into many things, primarily art, of course, since this is technically mainly an art channel, but I'm into such a handful of things like art, video games, manga, anime. I've been getting into K-pop and so forth. I'm into like TV shows. I'm into Marvel, DC. Well, I'm getting back into them, I should say. And the problem with me is that I really can't make a channel based on everything. I mean, I can, but it would be hard to get some traction with it. It would be best, well, I figured it was best that I found one good niche, at least at the start, one niche that I could, fully zone into, which is art, and build from there. And well, I sort of like how I did my artist analysis series. I was able to like sort of mix art and whatever the artist had relations to, like going back to my analysis with Motozaki, I was able to sort of coincide with Danganronpa and my thoughts and my very brief thoughts on visual novels and stuff like that. Basically, that was sort of my way to like mix niches, because art could be for video games, it could be for movies, it could be for anime and manga, it could be for a lot of things. So that's why I sort of like this analysis series. And speaking of series, I plan to do more different types of series. Like I recently got the Demon Slayer sketchbook, not sketchbook, what am I saying? The Demon Slayer art book. I still want to do a video on me looking at it, because lo and behold, that art book literally came out right after I did Koyoharu's artist analysis, and I'll just say I was very hot when that had happened. So yeah, so my goals from here on out, I want to get to 1,000 subscribers before my birthday, which is in July. I know no one asked, but I'm doing it for accountability. But yeah, my birthday is in July. I want to get to 1,000, so I'm gonna try to. It's gonna kill me, but I want to try to upload like maybe twice a week. It's such a drag. Okay, I need to stop complaining. But I shouldn't complain, because we got to 500. It's so weird. There's 500 random people wanting to see my videos. So yeah. Also, when I do manage to amass a bigger following, I do plan to sort of branch out just a tiny bit from art, because not too much, because I made a video. I don't know if any of you guys watched it, but I made a video talking about a Thailand drama called A Girl From Nowhere. I uploaded it and nobody watched it, and I included such a good speed painting in it, sort of like to bring it back to like an art focus, but even so no one watched it. So I deleted that video because that'd be a big waste for how good that speed painting was, at least in my opinion. So I'm gonna re-upload the speed painting by itself and see how that goes. So yeah, again, thank you. I'm working on Adam Hughes' artist analysis. In the meantime, like I said, I do have a job, so it's hard to squeeze in like my job and doing this, because one day I will want to quit my job and do this full time. But you know, dreams, right? I'm being optimistic, and like, you know, make this a side hustle. So yeah, again, thank you so much for bearing with me. I see the comments, I know who you guys are, I see the same few people frequently. I see you, and thank you for sticking around. But yeah, time to kick it in gear and bring it on home. I want to get to 1,000. I can. I just need to push and do it in a timely fashion. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. This video is like 3 sketches going on in the background, so I'm sorry if it's a bit random. But also, this isn't scripted, so I'm sorry if I'm stuttering all over my words. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.